18 seconds of logos that are orange, pink, and white all over. Sesame Workshop.
Hi, I'm Little Guy, the king of the city of Green Phantom.
And I'm Doctor.
Doctor has one of the quickest introductions that I don't even need a stopwatch.
Комсомольская площадь.
That now makes 2 episodes in a row that Doctor has sung. Also, where did Doctor even get that microphone? Did he just say Accia Mike after graduating from Hogwarts?
I'm going to turn on the G major sound switch, so all the sounds, music, and voices are scary in G major.
Greenie Todd, the demon singer of Fleet Street.
All the sounds, music, and voices are now scary in G major.
And with a little guy talking like that, it makes this experience 20% scarier.
Meanwhile,
Non-scary narrating.
What a beautiful day. My voice is scary.
And now he knew about this G major hodgepodge. Whatever's going on here.
Meanwhile,
Narrating. Again.
All the sounds are so scary in G major, especially my voice, and your voice is scary.
My voice? I'm perfectly fine. I just edited the set.
me too.
This creepy crying goes on for a while.
Meanwhile,
Skip.
hey kids, you having the shibba. What's that?
That now makes 2 episodes with Santa Sailor in a row, and I feel like I should make this in worth double. Skip. Santa Sailor survives this.
at the end of this episode, I'll be getting some peace and quiet for once.
Foreshadowing. 56 seconds of not so scary sounding credits, as they should be.
You wouldn't do anything funny, would you? Oh boy.